for His Highness, the daughter of late Shogorno, Sheikh Umar Mustafa Ekineni. So we believe you are in your home. Later I'll come back to that. I would like to start with prayer. I'll call on the Chief Imam of Ilorin to give us the opening prayer.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وإمام المرسلين وسيد ولد آدم أجمعين سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم آمين 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 فأهلا وسهلا بقلوب الرئيس نائب الرئيس النيجيري إلينا فأهلا بك وسهلا نسأل الله أن يكون معك وأن يؤتيك سؤلك وأن يجعلك من الناجحين إنه على ذلك قدير ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم الفاتحة آمين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين 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 سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين آمين.
Thank you, Excellency. Honorable Vice President and the Federal Governor of Borno State here, they are in their second home. You are welcome. You have Baba side of Ilorin Emirate. You have the Chief Imam of Ilorin Emirate, Sheikh Dr. Muhammad Bashir Oge. Next to the Chief Imam is the Imam Malay of Ilorin Emirate. Next to Imam Malay is the Imam Gabari of Ilorin Emirate. Next to him, the Ajanasi of Ilorin Emirate. Next to Ajanasi is the Abarabana of Ilorin Emirate. We have beside the councillors, the Magaji and Alangwa Forum, led by their leader, the chairman, Alangwa Polo. The forums, please stand on it. Thank you very much. As I just said by Machama, there's bad or good to it. We don't need to talk much here. They are in their home. Your Excellency, sir, if I can recall, this is the second time of your coming here since you are assumption of this office. Definitely you are in your home. We have some things to present. Your son, let's say, your children from Borno, they have something to present to you for Madam and yours. I will call on Bashir Sulkaneni Bashir Mustafa Ekineni. It's a daughter, it's a grandson of Lins Shimurano, the son of the daughter of Lins Shimurano. One of them, Bashir Sulkaneni. He can speak Kanuri fluently. Yes. And we introduce you. Those two gifts, one is for His Excellency, one is for Madam. He can speak Kanuri fluently. Mustafa Ekineni. This is the share of the government. He is the last man in the house, the son of the late daughter of Shemoro. I'll call him to present this the governor of Borno State. Show. Both of them can speak Kanuri fluently. They are going to be never took levels there. They are six in number. He is the last born. Please let them. Both of you should go and take a picture with French President. That Prince Pascal Paris. He is a student of American University, ULA, engineering student. 400 level. Inshallah. You can see what I'm saying. Don't even hear what they're saying again. Excellency, sir. Sir? I think if His Highness may have something to say, while His Highness will give us the prayer. As you are here to receive royal blessing from our father, you will definitely do that. Inshallah. I don't know, Your Excellency may have something to say.
Your Majesty, my Martaba, Emir Ilorin, Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Chulubambari, and members of the Emirate Council, I greet you with the best of greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your Royal Highness are quite pleased. We are quite delighted. We are quite honored to be in this palace, the palace of Sheikh Sadi Ibn Jaka, Sheikh Alimi, in this historic city of Ilorin. Ilorin is not a city, it's an idea. It's a melting pot of peoples, of cultures, of tolerance. Ilorin has a lot to teach the Nigerian nation on the virtues of tolerance and inclusivity. And in your years of leadership, Allah Amen. Amen. You have provided exemplary leadership that has transformed Ilorin into an oasis of peace and stability in a turbulent environment. Ilorin is a home to the Yoruba, to the Bari, to the Nupe, to the Hausa, to the Bobe, to the Kanuri, to the Baruba. And this tapestry of cultures molded the Ilorin persona. In Ilorin, conversations will start in Hausa. It will be interspersed with Yoruba, and it will end in English. And Your Royal Highness, you have occupied the workspace for the exemplary leadership. Apart from being a jurist and an administrator, you have worked in Borno. And for Governor Zulum and I and the Senator, it's a homecoming. The family of the Chief Imam of Ilorin is of Kanuri extraction. This is the Nigeria of our dream. this is the culture of tolerance and acceptability that we always encourage. Your Royal Highness, the person that brought us here is a steady infidelity to relationship. It's a steady inconsistency and loyalty. Malam Yusuf Ali is originally from Ocean State, but he has imbibed the Ilorin persona. His friend Ishak Oloyedis is originally from Ogun, but he is now an Ilorin man. The Sarakis are of Ekba ancestry, but they are now Ilorin people. Your Royal Highness, on behalf of the government and people of Borno, we want to congratulate you for producing a very worthy song. He has been our lawyer since 2003. And Malam Yusuf Ali, anyway, few Yorubas that they are Malam. Malam has a derogatory content. Malu and Malam, but he is Malam. He has provided for honor services to our friends and associates. And once Malam Yusuf Ali aligns himself with you, he will never be a representative of your opponent. His relationship is a lifelong relationship. And most importantly, at the public forum, Your Majesty, I did not mention it, but one other thing that endeared him most to me was when he lost his wife over a decade ago. Many a man has gotten the license to marry as many wives as he wants. But Madam Yusuf Ali said, no. I am now married to my children. For nearly 2 decades, Malam has brought up his kids to be worthy sons of the Lord. We picket this with masters. He said until his kids have grown up and have formed families of their own, that is when he will even contemplate getting married. And Malam is in his 60s. It's a very rare breed of Nigerians that are worthy of emulation, that are worthy of respect. Your Royal Highness, I will call upon you to bless Malam Yusuf Ali with a very powerful traditional title from this court. Having said that, I wish to once again, most sincerely, thank you for the warm reception and an enthusiastic welcome you have accorded my boss and I here in this revered palace of history. And I came here with our senator representing Borno Central, Senator Kaka Shehu Lawal. And of course, your friend, my friend, and your son, Malam Ishak Modibokau.
Gaiseka Modibokau. Gaiseka the kill. Gaiseka. 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 Gaiseka.
As Malam Isa Aremu, a labor activist who wore his own shoe when the vice president had taken off his shoe. Allah ya kara sarki dogon kwana lafiya. Yanzu za mu je airport. Za mu koma gida. Mun zo musamman mu gaishe ka kuma mu gaishe da ɗan uwanmu I'm a real son of him, but somebody came so I don't want that sort now. Katrina, you but you create a point and I do share body and that. This a round of applause for His Excellency. Excellency, thank you very much. Having heard from His Excellency, I will not take a mic to His Highness for his royal blessing. Your Highness, sir.
Amen. Amen.
We are highly honored to receive August visitors in our midst today. We are August visitors we have been looking forward to see. Whether we see you or we see us, our prayers is always with you. Because I've joined church with I stayed in Bono for about 13 years of it. So I grew up in Bono myself. But I didn't know I was going to be married to a Christian. When I was a lawyer and a judge and all this, I was working. But until when after I became a lawyer, what I joined in the letter of the Christian. The late because still working. The demand of me so much that people said when I want to write judgment, I will carry it in the chair of the old house, and whatever it dictates to me, I will write in English. And that is my judgment. I have it. I don't matter to me at all. Now, that is me and the State. Madam Ali is a great man. He's a man created by Allah to see this way. He has been serving us in the Valley since he started practicing. And there's no way we can describe him other than to say that God is behind him and God is with him. And he's a man of very character disposition. We are very proud to have him here in Ilorin, and the Excellency has suggested that he will be carried out the quotation. Inshallah, we will do our best.
Sure.
I don't want to engage in a long drama because I know you are on your way to the airport from there. In fact, when I came to Ukraine, I told him I need a friend. The things you have seen in Grecia, we will not be tolerated to come to palace. And he said to me, and he said to me, the matter is not completed until you come here. And so to do what he wants God to do for you is an honor. I would have been unhappy if the Vice President of Nigeria passed me to the University of London's palace because I can't get. But when they say when somebody, even your in-law, when your in-law's property are complete, what will the monthly jump replace? Like my in-law's property is what do I do? What do jump up? So it's not the central place of Nigeria.
Yes, no.
And
says you're coming. No recording. It's on live. Also, so I'm not sure. So I'm not sure. It's on live. I'm doing live. You should not be crossing this place. Stay here. That's all. Don't cross again. Nobody asked. When he is standing, clear all those media people.
Amen. Amen.
Okay. Sorry, please.
We have a group of girls. The group